Hi guys, welcome back to P&C Paranormal. So tonight we've returned again to one we've done before, but we've done it during the day. Now this place freaks me out for some reason. It's been trashed again. Someone started tidying it up, but kids have clearly been in and trashed it again, which is not good.
No, certainly not.
No, so I'll give you a quick tour in the dark because it's pretty creepy. So yeah, let's get to it.
Okay, mine on. That one.
Yeah. So this way here, guys, door was wide open. If it's flashing red, then yeah.
What, the thing in the corner?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's red.
Freezer with bottles in.
Nice.
Cooker. Toilet. That room's proper trashed. The ceiling's gone. You can see outside. And we won't go in there. Like I said, guys, I get really nervous in this place. There's the newspapers. Whatever that is. Loads of stuff in here. Got to be careful because I'm going to show you upstairs in a minute, guys.
Very old.
I'm leaving that open. That bureau.
Look at that chair. I think that looks old as well.
Another one.
Alright, should we do some calling out?
Yeah. Do you want to go first?
Alright. If there's any spirits here that like to talk to us, could you please come forward? We will introduce ourselves. My name's Claire,
My name's Paul.
and you might remember us from before. Hopefully you do, so you can see that we're not going to destroy any more of this lovely house that once was. But if you can hear my voice, please come forward. Shall we just listen, because we haven't stood still yet, to listen to... Obviously we've got wind. Yeah, it's picking up, that wind. If you can hear my voice, could you come forward, please? We're not here to hurt you or just respect your home. We just like to communicate. Hopefully we don't scare you with our bright lights.
Sweating. I'm going to look like a sweaty mess.
I don't feel anything.
We come in with total respect. Really annoys us what the two kids have done to this place.
Last time we was here, it was getting cleared up. But now the kids have trashed it again, which is disrespecting your lovely home. that you once lived in. If you could hear our voices, could you please come forward? Walk towards our voices. We're not here to hurt you. I think it's going to be a bit hard. I mean, because there is a breeze. And I can see things moving because of the breeze.
Yeah, that's what that door was that you blinded me for.
This house is massive.
You must be so upset that your home has ended up like this. Come and let us know how you feel. Tap on that door by Claire.
Have we got our things?
No, because it don't record properly. It just records our voice. You can't hear nothing else. These microphones are better. Are you upstairs? Can you bang on the floor?
We'll come to you. How do you feel?
Hot.
Don't feel nervous anymore.
Yeah, I'm always nervous in this place. That was comfy at one point.
Yeah.
And that sofa.
It's unusual, but like little side windows. Weird. Maybe we should just make general conversation. Get the house a bit like some energy into the house. Yeah. It's not what I heard though.
No, it's that door shutting. There is an upstairs, guys.
Sorry, I keep switching.
This is where we'll be spotted. So as if we go upstairs, we can show them around upstairs. We both
Yeah.
go now.
Yeah. Maybe on our own, maybe?
Tennis ball, a few old bits of a box of plates. And as you can see, guys, someone started boarding it up.
They probably, because it's been trashed again, they just probably thought, you know, what was the point?
Do you want to put something by that? Because we don't want that slamming.
Is that closed? Like, not closed, but...
No, the wind. This one gets shut by the wind.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, it's trashed. Another nice chair
so
there.
Cute.
Yeah, there's a massive breeze coming through here. Hopefully that'll stay, unless you pull the chair across. There is no coats, chairs, some nice coats. There's a cellar. Wow, and there's a bat in the cellar. Oh, fucking bat. I'm shutting the door again. I'm not going in there, guys. There's a fucking bat flying around.
There's a cellar though. Didn't know there's a cellar.
You did. Union Jack. You see how long it's been there. I'll show you quickly. I'm trying to stay away from the it's a nice picture. Z bed. Do you remember a Z bed, guys? Yeah, we're not going up there. Look at that, guys. Look at that picture. Books. As you can see, guys, it's trash. There's clothes over there. All the windows are done, so to be honest, I can't believe people are pinching stuff. Sink over there. I'm going to shut the doors, guys, because the wind will blow them shut. Because there is a breeze. That'll probably rattle. Corby 3000 there, guys. This was a very damp room. And paperwork. Yeah, that's where the breeze is coming through. I won't go up there. There's a room at the back, guys, but it's not very good up there. I can't get round. Toilet. Trash.
Oh. All that wardrobe is. I think it's old. It looks old. And then I think that matches it, yeah. And look at that, look, they're all matching, that's quite good. I like that. Is that actually a chalkboard? No way, is it? If there's anyone here, could you please come forward? Just listening now. I'll get nothing. Paul's a bit nervous, but I don't feel anything, to be fair. The house before, it felt really homely, like if you've watched the video, you'll know what I'm on about, but it just felt really homely, like a woman's. Yeah. But here, I don't feel anything here. I mean, looking on the outside of this house, I mean, it looks really old. Right, okay, I'll go down then.
I don't know, do 10 minutes or something and then leaving me up here on my own, guys. 2000. So I'm up here on my own now. Can you let me know you're here? But if I open this, you're in that room. There's just something about this house, guys. I know that the man's phoned the police that owns it because he's got cameras and the kids keep coming and trashing it. But that's not what we're here for. We've got total respect. We're probably as annoyed as you are about how this has got. Again, I'll introduce myself. My name's Paul, and I'm a paranormal investigator. I travel to all different places to try and find that proof of the afterlife. Can you tap? What about a whistle? Can't hear nothing, guys. That was not tipped over last time. There's a lot of financial books, so I'm assuming it's something to do with finance. do something to Claire downstairs. Let her know you're here. Can't say hello to her. What would we do, guys, if the ghosts are real and one day we get one like the beginning of Ghostbusters? Would we run? Pretty sure we would. Can't hear nothing. It's a nice breeze standing here though. Shut this door. Must be in my bag. Can you copy me? Push some paperwork over. What was your favourite book? The book here that was a favourite of yours? I know I'm nervous, guys. I'm not getting any other kind of feelings. It's just silent. Do you want me to go back downstairs?
Downstairs now. I can hear Paul talking. Haven't been here very long, but Paul's really on edge. So I think this one might be a quick one. Might go somewhere else after this. Just trying to make a bit of conversation because, you know, keep calling out and stuff like that. Yeah, that's what you kind of do, but I'll get the ump, wouldn't you? Just stay quiet and just listen. I can hear Paul talking. See, I like to listen. I'll do a little bit of calling now. If there's anyone here with me, could you let me know if you're here, please? You could knock on something. It has to be really loud. Or come and stand next to me. Touch my hair. I'm not here to hurt you. I hope you remember me from last time we came here. I do love your house. So big. It would have been a lovely home. I give you permission to come and talk to me, to come and communicate with me. Use my energy. And let's pour water. I don't know if you can hear anything, guys, that I can't hear through the headphones. But if you do, leave us a comment. Let us know if you have. I mean, I can't, I think I can hear shuffling, but I think it might be Paul upstairs walking. I don't get anything from this house at all. You ain't up there very long. I think someone's scared. No, I'm just staying quiet, listening to the house. I haven't even been up there for 10 minutes. No, I don't get no feeling at all. Not even warm feeling, like nothing. But then obviously something might have been picked up through. Or maybe not. I just don't know. Alright guys, we're upstairs now. We're upstairs now. I can feel the breeze because that window's open there. And obviously you can tell because that's moving. Try and go somewhere where it's not breezy. In that bedroom again. And any time we're not going in the bedroom. Right here, the windows are not broken. So let's just see, I want to go up there because there's another room up there. But he won't let me, which is quite strange, being another room up there. I guess in a way it's not strange. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 bedrooms in this house. So you can imagine how big it is. It is a lovely, lovely, lovely house. If I had the money, I'd buy this house. I really would. I mean, there's a lot of work to it. I mean, look at that crack. Just listen again like we did downstairs. I mean, you've got to think, it's 10:30 now at night. So just thinking how they would have lived this time of getting ready for bed. Because it's a Tuesday, maybe they're getting ready for work. there's anyone here, could you move that door, please? Could you please come forward? I would love to talk to you. Could you let me know you're here, please? Hopefully you'll remember me from last time we came here. It's okay, I'm not going to hurt you. I think kids were here too, because when we came up here last time, we went up in the loft, and there's, like I said, there's another bedroom in there, and there was kids' homework and stuff all scattered all over the floor. Someone went to university as well. I mean, I am hearing things, but then it could be anything, because it's just trashed, and there's so much stuff around. It's something can eat, and where there's a breeze too, which is no breeze this side because the windows are not smashed in this bit, but down there is. I don't know if the bathroom has. No, the bathroom hasn't. They've still got their windows, so it's just that window down there. So I have to bear that in mind. I mean, to be fair, I mean, this is quite a flat house. This is probably the first house, or just an investigation, that is just completely flat. It's quite chilly out there tonight, so the wood is settling. I mean, I'm standing on that at the moment, so that's making a ruffle sign. So this is what I mean. sad, really. You know. Would you like me to leave? Or would you like us to leave? If you do, go and make a noise. Tap on something, knock on something. I'd be very grateful if you did let us know, because we'll leave if you want us to leave. Flat.
Do you mind if I sit? Would that be okay? Oh, it's got comfy, guys. If you are here, can you let me know? Tap on something, push something, scream. That's quite freaky, that, guys. Keep seeing it out of the corner of my eye. Oh, gas heater. I'll call the gas heater. Is it called it? No. Who remembers? See a man then. I can hear a bird or something. See, I say you must be angry. You must be more upset than anything. That there's someone that could be looking after this place and they're not. Which is a shame. I know there's a snooker table through there, Lena. You might just be able to see it there, guys. No, not moth. Stay out. Say guys are doing nothing. All we want is the proof. Was that making a noise? Just heard 2 taps. Did you just tap? Oh. It's a shame. I don't know I can't find any history, guys, none at all. All I can find is who designed the house and a story of someone that used to live here in the 50s. Push that can over. Push that Coke can. We're just interested to know whether you exist. We'd love to find the evidence. Either way. So far, it's looking like you don't. Come and prove us wrong. It's very creepy walking here. Down a dark footpath and through the bushes. Claire's asking out. How is it up there? Shall we wrap it up? I'm not getting anything either. What's this board for? I don't know what that is. New York, Sydney, Bombay, Cape Town, London. Can't see any dates on it. Looks old. Following wind. Back to 4. Sim. So guys, we're going to call it now. I'm not getting any feelings. I've had loads of taps and stuff, but as you can see, the windows are through, the wind's blowing, not only slightly, it's not like massively. That I kept catching the corner of my eye.
I kept looking over there and that door moved slightly over there.
Yeah, there's just the breeze. We've had to chock this door to stop it shutting. And no.
We may come back here again, because I do believe we should investigate a place that we've been here for a few times, but no, this is the first night one.
Yeah, but we've been here about 4 times
so
during the day. I must admit, I don't feel as nervous now.
It's because we're going.
And yeah, we'd like to thank all our subscribers. We actually got up to 300, but we're not going to call it, because we get up the next day and we seem to lose another 2 or 1. And then gain more, lose more, so...
But no, we appreciate every single one of you.
Yes, every single one of you.
Definitely.
It's been a crazy adventure so far.
Yeah, it certainly has.
And we're loving it.
I just love the paranormal, just absolutely love it.
We just want to find that proof. Be the first. But then, how do we know? Because we're all so quick to debunk now.
Yeah, it's true.
How do we know we haven't caught the real thing? I suppose until science proves it, that's the way it's going to be. So
that's a big question mark though, isn't it? So
yeah, that's something we'll talk about on a live or something.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, thank you again. Thank you to all our subscribers,
yes.
all our mods, all our mods. We appreciate you. We appreciate every one of you.
And the support we get as well.
If you made it to the end, please like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and leave a comment. I assume that was the wind.
Yeah.
I'm assuming you heard it. It can only be the wind. I'm sure it is, because there is a breeze going straight through there.
No. Anyway.
Anyway, yeah, guys. So until next time, thank you for watching.
Take care.
Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.